how to transfer money from Capital One to Venmo. First, open the Play Store or the App Store and download the latest version of the Venmo app. Once you open the app, you can access the settings by clicking on the menu. The second option should say Payment Methods. Select Payment Methods, and you will see a list that includes your balance at the top, along with all the credit cards and bank accounts you have linked. In this window, you'll need to link your Capital One bank account. Tap Add Bank or Card and enter the necessary information. Although the visuals I'm showing are for adding a card, you'll need to include the details of your Capital One bank account as well. Once you've added the necessary information for your Capital One account, you can go back to the main menu and select Add Money when you tap on your balance. You'll be able to add money using the linked credit card or bank account. Just enter the amount you wish to transfer and agree to any potential fees. As long as your Capital One bank account or credit card is linked, you'll be able to complete the transfer and receive the funds in your Venmo account. And if you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe.